In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Higgsfield AI in 2026. We'll walk through the main journey from the homepage into image creation, model selection, and then where to start video and audio generation, so you know exactly what to click and why each choice matters. First, open your browser and go to the official Higgsfield AI website. This is the home base for their platform, described as an ultimate infrastructure for AI video and image generation. Once you're on the landing page, look for the image option in the navigation and click it. This takes you straight into the image workspace where you'll choose how you want to generate visuals. Inside the image area, select Auto. Auto is ideal when you want to get started quickly because it lets Higgsfield pick sensible defaults behind the scenes. Think of it as a smart starting point that reduces setup time while still giving you strong results. If you want more stylistic control, browse the model options. Choose Nano Banana 2 when you're after realistic photography style images. This model is tuned for lifelike textures, accurate lighting, and true-to-reality details. It shines with things like portraits, product visuals, and scenes where you want a photo-safe, believable look. Clear, concrete prompts help here. Specifying subjects, materials, and lighting typically yields more precise realism. For a different creative direction, pick Dream 5.0 Light when you want cinematic images. This model leans into filmic mood, dramatic framing, and rich color tones. It's especially useful for storytelling scenes, concept art, and moments where atmosphere matters as much as subject detail. Feel free to cue tone words like moody, golden hour, or high contrast to steer the cinematic vibe. Next, select the option labeled Next Generation Ultra Realistic Fashion Visuals. This will bring you into a fashion-focused model tuned for fabric fidelity, styling, and editorial polish. It's built to capture drape, texture, and on-model realism with an aesthetic that feels publication-ready. From here, click Explore. Explore opens a guided view that helps you understand the model's capabilities through examples and settings available on screen. It's a great way to calibrate your expectations before you dive deeper. When you're ready to branch out, click Video to generate video. This brings you into the video section so you can create motion-based outputs using the same creative direction you've been shaping. Finally, click Audio to generate audio. This opens the audio tools, completing the trio of modalities within the platform. That's the full path: homepage to image, auto for quick starts, targeted models for realism or cinematic looks, fashion visuals for editorial work, explore for guidance, and then video and audio to expand your creation. Keep prompts clear, reference styles thoughtfully, and you'll get consistent, high-quality results.